Once you have cleaned the patrol equipment, it is time to get stuck into the IRB, vehicles and any other items. When cleaning the side-by-side vehicles or four-wheel drives, it's important to focus on the following high-touch areas: door handle, grab handle, steering wheel, gear lever, indicators, seat belts, center console, rear tray, roof racks or bars, external handles and any other surface you might think have been touched or requires further cleaning. Once wiped down, you can then wash the vehicle as you normally would. Cleaning the IRB is similar to the vehicles, but you need to make sure not to use any alcohol or solvents as they can cause damage. When cleaning the IRB, it is important to focus on the following high-touch areas: the engine pull start, controls, throttle and any other item which has been handled, IRB carry handles, fuel bladder, foot strap and any other surface you might think have been touched or requires further cleaning. Once wiped down, you can then wash the IRB down with water as usual. If using soap, detergent or pressure washer, make sure it is done in a suitable area where the water runoff is directed into the sewer and not stormwater drains. Each club will have a different patrol shelter or trailer set up with different cleaning needs. The focus of any cleaning is to ensure that any high-touch areas or areas of contamination are clean. The whole process should not take more than a few extra minutes, but please make sure you sanitize your hands before and after. For more detailed cleaning information, please refer to the COVID Safe Cleaning Guide.